Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel your YouTube Premium subscription from the app. Let's get started. Open the YouTube app, and once you're on the main page, tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Then tap the settings icon, the little gear at the top. Next, go to Purchases and Memberships. Here you will see your active subscription. Tap it to check how many days are left in your plan. Now tap Cancel Membership. You will see a short summary of your subscription. Tap Cancel again to confirm. If you go back to Purchases and Memberships, you will see that the status now says Cancelled. And that's it. Now you know how to cancel your YouTube Premium subscription directly from the app.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.